Hey guys, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to install a React project on your computer, right? So these are the three steps. We will follow these three steps and install the React project successfully on our computer. If there's any problem, we will fix all the issues in this video tutorial. First, I'm gonna download Node.js from the Google. So now I'm gonna search in the Google. Here I'm gonna write Node.js download. So I'm gonna click on it and download Node.js from this first link. So now I'm gonna click on this link and then scroll down. Here you will see Make OS installer. I'm gonna click on this installer. Now the downloading is started and download successfully. So I'm gonna double click on this download file, and here you will see these are all the package will install. So I'm gonna click on continue and then click on continue. I'm gonna agree and then click on continue and then click on install. So here I'm gonna type my password. Click on install software. Just wait for a minute. Once it installs, it will take a minute, so you can wait. Okay, now click on close and then keep the file. Okay, now the Node.js is successfully downloaded and installed on my computer. So it's the time to download the Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna search for the Visual Studio Code and the Google to download this code editor. Search here for VS Code. I'm gonna click on it and download Visual Studio Code from the first link. So I'm gonna click on it, and here you will see Visual Studio Code is available for all operating system, Windows, Mac. You can download according to your operating system. I have already installed the Visual Studio Code, and now I'm gonna open the terminal to check the Node.js version. Here I'm gonna open this terminal and let's type the Node.js version node. So I'm gonna write here the command Node.js / and version, and let's hit the enter button. Here you will see the version of the Node.js. So just wait. Okay, here you will see the Node.js versions as v22 15.1. So this one is the version of the Node.js. Now let's check the npm version. So write the command npm -- version, and here you will see 18.9.2 is the npm version. Now I'm gonna close this terminal. Open a new terminal, and here you will see the command npm install -g create -app, this command. So now I'm gonna copy this command, and this command is used to install a tool globally on your computer. So now I'm gonna paste this command here and then hit the enter button. Just wait, the tool is installed globally on the computer. And here you will see the tool is successfully installed. Now we will use the command to create a new React project. So here I'm gonna type the command npx create -react -f, and then type the project name. My project name is React Qt, if, right? So this one is the project name of the React. So I'm gonna press the enter button and let's wait to create the React project successfully. Okay, so all the packages as now installing, and we will just wait for that to install all the packaging successfully. And now I'm gonna open the project in the VS Code. So I'm gonna click on open folder and let's find the project folder. And then I'm gonna click here to select my project folder name. Okay, here you will see React. So I'm gonna click on this project folder name and then click on open. Inside the project folder, here you will nothing you can see here because the project is not successfully installed, and here you will see it is in the installation process. So we will just wait once it installs successfully. Okay, so just wait for a minute. Okay, now the project has successfully installed. You see all the project file and folder. These are all the project files. Now I'm gonna open a new terminal and let's change the directory. So I'm gonna write here cd and my project name ReactJS. So this one is my project name. And then I'm gonna write here the command to run the project on the browser. So I'm gonna type here the command npm start, and let's visit this project on the browser. Very good. So the React project is successfully installed on the computer. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.